everyone! So if you're excited about learning simple but beautiful harp music, then I think After the Rain might be the right one for you. I'm going to play through the whole piece at the beginning of this video, but for now let me tell you a bit more about it. This is inspired by that beautiful atmosphere after it's rained, where all the drips of water are coming off the trees and bushes. And this piece is perfect for an early beginner. If you've just learned how to do bracketing, basic bracketing, then this is the piece for you to practice implementing that. And it just sounds really wonderful, and you're only using fingers 1 and 2. So pretty straightforward. The great thing is that there's sheet music for this, but there's also a video lesson that I've just made available because I don't want you to feel frustrated working this out on your own. I've heard that sometimes people feel like they're not quite sure what to do. Maybe they're getting lost in the sheet music and not sure if they're getting the piece right. And so I'm going to take you step by step through learning this. If you get the video tutorial, I'm going to hold your hand. I'm going to help you implement that technique, remind you of your positioning, and you're going to confidently be able to learn through this so that you'll be able to play the piece fluently at the end. So some people have already tried my video lessons and they've given some really interesting feedback. Let's look at what they said. So Lita Murphy said, Christy Lynn has a very warm and relaxing way of presenting the material. It helped me to relax and go to the lesson without being worried that I might be too slow. Oh, that's great, Lita. And Yvette Ellis said, learning each measure section by section really is the best way to learn a new arrangement. Otherwise, for newbies like me, it's too overwhelming. So I'm really glad that this video lesson is already helping people, and maybe it can help you too. If you're a little bit worried about technology, then don't worry, it's just like watching a YouTube video. You can do it. Daphne Ruhlman said, all I can say is I'm not very tech savvy and I managed without help. So there you go. If you're interested in purchasing the sheet music or looking at the video lesson, then the link is up in the cards and also down in the description box. And now I'm going to inspire you by playing through the whole piece. There you go. If you like that, then why not get the sheet music and the video lesson at the same time, so you can learn the piece and improve your harp technique at the same time. And there's going to be a link on the screen right now, and I'll see you there in the lesson. Bye!